Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Talk and Do Physics. In today's lesson, we are going to dive into a question that has to do with heater. And this heater has the power, the heater has the voltage, and you are asked to calculate the current. Everybody knows what we mean by heater. Heater that we are using in the house. Sometimes we use it to boil the coil round heater, either in whatever things you use heater for. And this question explained to you that a heater has a 24 voltage and also has what 120 watts, which is the power. Calculate the current that is flowing. If you carry the heater and plug in a socket in a switch, for instance, you plug it, what happened? There is a voltage and there's a power that the heater will generate, so that either to boil water and to make the water the way you want. And the question is, what is the current that is passing through the heater to make the water boil? That is what we are going to calculate. And that's why I'm telling you, physics is all about real life situation. So let's dive into the question. Incorporate your pen and paper. Let's dive into it. Physics exam. An immersion heater is level 24. Very good. 120 watts. Very good. That is the power. What is the current in the heater when it is connected to 24 voltage supply? The voltage supply is 24. You plug the heater. Then the power that is being generated from the 24 volt is 120. What is the current that is flowing? Let's dive into it. Now, remember what I said. An acronym called IC. You do what? Identify, you set up, you evaluate, and you execute. Let's dive into it. Step one. Step one, we have the voltage is what? 24. And we have the power, P, is what? 120. And the current is what? The current is not given. Very good. And look at the options here, because when we solve it, we have to relate with the option to see which one is the correct answer. Step two, you quickly introduce what? The formula, which is what? P equals to V I. The I is for current, which is the same thing as V times I. So P here is what? Substitute the value from step 1 to step 2. So P is 120 equals to V is what? 24. Very good. Times what? I is not given. Very good. So when we do this, we said 120 equals to 24 times I gives what? 24I. So that we can make I the subject formula. So we now divide both sides by 24. Divide both sides by 24. So that you can see that I is separate alone. Very good. So you now say I equals to 120 over 24 give us what? 5.0 ampere, because that is the current. So giving us this as the answer, please remember to subscribe, share, click at the bottom below, comment, and this will interest me to do more video. Look at A is 0.2, B is 5.0. See, which one is the answer? Yes? Correct. Clap on for yourself. B is the answer. Correct. So as you are watching me, remember to share and subscribe at the bottom below. See, that is why I said in my physics, I normally use real life situation in order to solve problems, so that you'll be able to interpret the question to your understanding and also use the right mathematical skills to solve the problem using an acronym called IC. So every physics that we solve in textbook, that we solve in everywhere, is about the real life situation. So always come to this channel, watch the video, comment on the video. This will interest me to do more interesting video to your understanding, because it has to do with real life situation. You also need to Google www.talkanddo academy, where every child learn, where every child succeed. Thank you.